Airport when it's returning. Please take all your personal belongings with you when leaving the train. After a few minutes, please help stand and the staff on platform that turns away. Right, thank you on behalf of myself and Norman, please
An hour and a half. That's what they call.
Partners. To help us get you away on time, please ensure your hand baggage is safely put away. Smaller bags tagged with the yellow label must be put onto the seat in front of you, and all large bags placed into the overhead lockers. If you are sitting in a front row seat or an emergency exit row, the floor area must be completely clear for takeoff. Once your hand baggage is safely stowed, please make yourselves comfortable and keep the aisle clear for all remaining customers to board. Thank you.
You requested.
Let's see that you
13. You?
To help us get you away on time, please ensure your hand baggage is safely put away. Smaller bags tagged with the yellow label must be put onto the seat in front of you. All large bags placed into the overhead lockers. If you are sitting in a front row seat or an emergency exit row, the floor area must be completely clear for takeoff. Once your hand baggage is safely stowed, please make yourselves comfortable and keep the aisle clear for all remaining customers to board. Thank you. Portable electronic devices may be used during the flight as long as they are in flight safe mode. You may use handheld devices such as mobile phones, tablets, and e-readers during takeoff and landing. You may also use personal headphones at these times. Larger items, including laptops, must be switched off and stowed away safely. If you have any questions, please ask a member of your cabin crew.
Join me in the flight deck. I've got Captain Roger Cooper. Thanks for boarding so promptly. Helps us get away on time. Just completing the last of our paperwork, and then we'll be on our way to London. You're lucky enough this afternoon to have Hannah and a lovely team looking after you. That's Paul, Spear and Abigail. When we push back, cabin crew will be giving you a safety demonstration in the form of a video. Please give that your full attention. Put on your newspapers, magazines, iPads, phones, backboard menus, and anything else that may be distracting you from that contains new and important information. Short taxi for us on the southerly of the two runways, taking off to the southwest, left turn over the top of Buxton and down towards London Heathrow. Expecting a flying time of about 40 minutes. I'll be doing the flying. When it's safe to do so, I'll turn the seatbelt signs off, but I recommend for your safety you keep those fastened just in case of any unexpected turbulence. I will come back to you later in the flight with an expected arrival time and any holding coming into London Heathrow. That's all for now. Please make yourself comfortable, and I do wish you a pleasant flight.
Of this aircraft. We ask that you now remove your personal headphones until the end of the briefing. All handheld and electronic devices, including mobile phones, must now be in flight safe mode, or switched off and held securely, or placed into a pocket. Finally, please ensure your window blind is in the open position for takeoff. As a reminder, smoking is not permitted at any time whilst on board. If you have any questions, please ask a member of your cabin crew. Thank you.
Okay, so you're here to audition for a part in the British Airways safety information video. Can you just look into the camera and give your name, please?
Hi, I'm Stuart LHR.
And have you done any safety videos before?
No.
only feature films.
Well, this could be your big break, okay, mate? So don't mess it up. Shall we get one in the gang, guys? Okay, action!
We will now demonstrate the safety features on this aircraft, and your attention is essential, as these may differ from any aircraft that you've flown on before.
Bit of a show off. Take care your hand baggage does not block the aisles or exit. It must be put under the seat in front of you or in an overhead locker. Place items in the locker carefully as they may fall out and injure someone, especially if there's a bag full of duty-free goods, darling.
Actually, that was meant for Joanna Longley.
Muppet. In case of evacuation, you must move quickly to the closest usable exit, taking absolutely nothing with you. And I mean nothing.
Smashed it.
All exits.
Genius. Look, I've got goosebumps.
Is that it? Just the tray table?
That's it. You absolutely nailed it, Jim.
Any personal devices with flight safe mode should have this feature enabled now. Handheld devices must be held securely or placed into a pocket. Larger devices, including laptops, must be switched off and stowed in your luggage for takeoff and landing. Take care your device does not get lost within your seat. If it does, please don't move your seat, but let one of your cabin crew know. When not being used in flight, devices must be switched off and disconnected from the seat power socket. Sorry, that wasn't very good, was it?
Yes, babes. Don't be so hard on yourself.
Smoking is not permitted anywhere whilst on board, and this includes the washrooms, which are fitted with smoke detectors. E-cigarettes are not permitted either.
Oh, and wizard pipes, eh?
Oh, good point, yes. Wizard pipes are completely out.
In the unlikely event of the aircraft having to make an emergency landing, you will be told to adopt this protective brace position. If facing rearwards in Club World, you must adopt this position. Please study the safety card in your seat area, as this includes important safety information specific to this aircraft type, such as brace position and location and operation of the doors. If you
On behalf of British Airways, Comic Relief and Flying Start,
Thank you for your attention and your kind donations.
every penny of which will help children all over the world.
Living really tough lives. If you have any questions or you can't find your safety card
Or Flying Start envelope.
Please ask one of your gorgeous cabin crew members.
Have an enjoyable flight.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Hannah Knowles and I'm your customer service manager on board this flight to London Heathrow's Terminal 5. I'd like to add my personal welcome to you all and welcome back our Executive Club members and our One World frequent flyers. We recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated. It must be securely fastened whenever the seatbelt signs are on. When it is safe to leave your seat, take care when opening overhead lockers, as items may have moved and could fall out, cause injury. We are about to commence our onboard service. If you are seated in our Club Europe cabin, we will be offering you a complimentary meal and drink from the bar. If you are seated in our Euro Traveller cabin, we have a great selection of food and drinks available to buy. You can find details of today's M&S onboard products in your seat pocket. You can pay by using either credit or debit card, and for Exec Club members, we also accept Avios. We do not accept any cash payments. I have a wonderful team this afternoon, and if there is anything we can do to make your journey more comfortable, please do let us know. In the meantime, we ask you to sit back, relax, and enjoy this very short flight with us. Thank you. Short beam landing at London Heathrow. Please now return to your seat. Make sure that all your personal belongings are safely into radio head lockers and onto the seat in front of you. Customers in the front row seat to an emergency exit row should place all items into overhead lockers, leaving the floor area around your seats completely clear. Please check that your table is rolled away, your seat is in the landing position, and that your armrest is down and your seatbelt is securely fastened. If you are seated by a window and have lowered the blind, please return this to the open position for landing. You may continue to use handheld electronic devices for landing. These must be held securely or placed into your pocket. Larger items, including laptops, must now be switched off and stowed away safely. Please also take a moment to remind yourselves of your nearest exit and study the safety card in your seat area. In the event of emergency, please leave all hand baggage behind. Thank you. Cabin crew, that's seats for landing.
time here is just approaching 2:45 in the afternoon. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign has been switched off. You may now make and receive calls as well as use all data devices and your handheld electronic devices. Data services, apologies, on your handheld electronic devices. When it is safe to leave your seats, take care when opening overhead lockers as items may have moved and could fall out and cause injury. Before leaving the aircraft, make sure you have all your personal belongings with you, and remember that smoking is not allowed until you have reached the designated area. If you are journeying here at Heathrow on leaving the aircraft, please follow the yellow signs for arrivals. If you're connecting onto another flight from Heathrow today, please check the information screens for your departing gate number. If it's not yet displayed, please follow the purple signs to all terminal A gates. Please be aware that all liquids will be screened prior to your next flight. To enable you to take these liquids onto your next flight, these items will be placed into a clear plastic bag available at airport security. All of us at British Airways and Warrick Alliance would like to welcome home office to the Swilling here in London. And those of you who are visiting, an enjoyable stay. If you're travelling on further, we wish you a safe onward journey. It has been a pleasure to serve you, and we look forward to welcoming you back again soon. Thank you.